New Orleans, a city like no other. A city known for its culture, food, sportsman's paradise, and entertainment. A city born over 300 years ago, and like the mighty Mississippi, good times are still flowing. Our hearts and souls are embedded into the history of New Orleans. So too is the NASA Michoud Assembly Facility. Since 1961, Michoud has manufactured rockets, external tanks, and hardware for all human space flights. The heartbeats of those who've worked throughout the Apollo, Space Shuttle, and now the Artemis program are ones filled with pride, dedication, and ring louder than a bass drum in a New Orleans jazz band. For more than 60 years, the Michoud Assembly Facility has been known as America's Rocket Factory, manufacturing rockets for all 13 Apollo missions and 135 external tanks for the Space Shuttle program. And today, we're proud to continue NASA's mission, which will take the first woman and first person of color to the moon with the production of the core stage rockets and Orion spacecraft. Every day at Michoud, we are making history. It's right here in New Orleans, where NASA and its partners Boeing and Lockheed Martin are constructing the core stage and the Orion spacecraft. Towering at 212 feet tall, the core stage is the biggest component of the SLS rocket. Built by Michoud employees, the core stage consists of state-of-the-art manufacturing and is crafted using friction stir welding tooling that is the largest of its kind in the world. NASA's SLS rocket is the only rocket powerful enough to send the Orion spacecraft, astronauts, and supplies on bold exploration missions to the moon and beyond. Also manufactured at Michoud, the Orion crew module will take us farther than we've ever gone before. Through advanced manufacturing and technology, the Orion pressure vessel with the launch abort system can activate within milliseconds to propel the vehicle to safety in case of an emergency. For the first time in a generation, NASA has built a human spacecraft for deep space missions that will usher in a new era of space exploration. With an astonishing 43 acres of manufacturing and assembly space under one roof, engineers, technicians, and students in aerospace engineering can design, build, and outfit the SLS core stages and Orion spacecraft with avionics, thermal protection systems, and other critical internal hardware to create the perfect vehicle fit for a goddess, Artemis. For the last 6 decades, all NASA vehicles for human spaceflight have gone and continue to go through New Orleans. The spirit of Michoud is the pride and dedication of our people. As you can see, the path to the moon and Mars begins in the Crescent City. Are you ready for a new journey?